is known as the father of basketball? A. Michael Jordan. B. LeBron James. C. Drive. James Naismith. D. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Answer: C. Drive. James Naismith. Dr. James Naismith invented the game of basketball in 1891 in Springfield, Massachusetts. How many players are on a basketball team on the court at one time? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 4. Answer: A. 5. Each team has 5 players on the court during a game. What is the standard height of a basketball hoop? A. 8 feet. B. 10 feet. C. 12 feet. D. 14 feet. Answer: B. 10 feet. The basketball hoop is placed 10 feet above the ground. Which basketball player has won the most NBA championships? A. Michael Jordan. B. Bill Russell. C. Kobe Bryant. D. Larry Bird. Answer: B. Bill Russell. Bill Russell won 11 NBA championships with the Boston Celtics. How many points is a free throw worth in basketball? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: A. 1. A free throw is worth 1 point. Which team won the NBA championship in 2021? A. Golden State Warriors. B. Milwaukee Bucks. C. Los Angeles Lakers. D. Phoenix Suns. Answer: B. Milwaukee Bucks. The Milwaukee Bucks won the 2021 NBA championship. Who was the first NBA player to score 100 points in a single game? A. Wilt Chamberlain. B. Michael Jordan. C. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. D. Shaquille O'Neal. Answer: A. Wilt Chamberlain. Wilt Chamberlain scored 100 points in a game in 1962. What is the duration of an NBA game? A. 40 minutes. B. 45 minutes. C. 48 minutes. D. 50 minutes. Answer: C. 48 minutes. An NBA game consists of 4 12-minute quarters, totaling 48 minutes. How many fouls does it take for a player to foul out in an NBA game? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Answer: C. 6. In the NBA, a player fouls out after committing 6 fouls. Who is the all-time leading scorer in NBA history? A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. B. Michael Jordan. C. LeBron James. D. Kobe Bryant. Answer: A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar scored 38,387 points in his NBA career. What does the term triple-double mean in basketball? A. 10 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. B. 30 points, 30 rebounds, 30 assists. C. 50 points, 50 rebounds, 50 assists. D. 20 points, 20 rebounds, 20 assists. Answer: A. 10 points, 10 rebounds, 10 assists. A triple-double occurs when a player gets double-digit numbers in 3 statistical categories, typically points, rebounds, and assists. Which country won the gold medal in men's basketball at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? A. Spain. B. Argentina. C. United States. D. France. Answer: C. United States. The United States won the gold medal in men's basketball at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Who was the first international player to be drafted number 1 overall in the NBA draft? A. Yao Ming. B. Dirk Nowitzki. C. Hakeem Olajuwon. D. Andrew Wiggins. Answer: A. Yao Ming. Yao Ming from China was the first international player to be drafted number 1 overall in 2002. What is the name of the line from which 3-point shots are taken? A. Free throw line. B. Half-court line. C. 3-point line. D. Baseline. Answer: C. 3-point line. The 3-point line is the arc from which a successful shot is worth 3 points. Who is considered the greatest of all time, GOAT, in basketball? A. Michael Jordan. B. LeBron James. C. Kobe Bryant. D. Magic Johnson. Answer: A. Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is widely regarded as the GOAT due to his 6 NBA championships and numerous accolades. In which year did the NBA officially begin? A. 1946. B. 1950. C. 1955. D. 1960. Answer. A. 1946. The NBA was established in 1946. What is the maximum number of players a team can have on the roster in the NBA? A. 10. B. 12. C. 15. D. 18. Answer. C. 15. An NBA team can have up to 15 players on its roster. What is the term for passing the ball between an opponent's legs? A. Nutmeg. B. Alley-oop. C. Crossover. D. Screen. Answer. A. Nutmeg. Nutmeg is when a player passes the ball through an opponent's legs. What is the purpose of the shot clock in basketball? A. Limit the game time. B. Track player fouls. C. Enforce faster play. D. Track team timeouts. Answer. C. Enforce faster play. The shot clock forces teams to attempt a shot within a set time, speeding up the game. Which NBA player is known for his famous skyhook shot? A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. B. Shaquille O'Neal. C. Tim Duncan. D. Kevin Durant. Answer. A. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was known for his signature skyhook shot. Who was the youngest player to score 30,000 points in NBA history? A. LeBron James. B. Kobe Bryant. C. Michael Jordan. D. Wilt Chamberlain. Answer. A. LeBron James. LeBron James became the youngest player to reach 30,000 points in 2018. How many quarters are in an NBA game? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer. C. 4. An NBA game is divided into 4 quarters. Who holds the record for the most career assists in NBA history? A. Magic Johnson. B. John Stockton. C. Steve Nash. D. Jason Kidd. Answer. B. John Stockton. John Stockton holds the record for the most career assists in NBA history. What is the name of the NBA championship trophy? A. Bill Russell Trophy. B. Larry O'Brien Trophy. C. James Naismith Trophy. D. Michael Jordan Trophy. Answer. B. Larry O'Brien Trophy. The Larry O'Brien Trophy is awarded to the NBA champions. How many teams are in the NBA? A. 28. B. 29. C. 30. D. 31. Answer. C. 30. The NBA consists of 30 teams.